I have been out condo shopping with many buyers over the years, looking at condos of different shapes, sizes, and price brackets, but I have noticed there are certain trends that buyers prefer, so here is my top 5 list of things to avoid when out buying a condo. Number 1, avoid too much hallway in an expensive city like Toronto. Square footage is at a premium when it comes to condo units, so you don't want to waste all that square footage on walk-through space that you're not going to be using other than just going through it. So you want to make sure that you don't have too much hallway. A little bit of hallway is okay, but you don't want to have it so that your living room or your dining room or your bedroom is compromised in square footage that's eaten up by the hallway. Number 2, people don't love open bedrooms. So when you go to some of the older lofts that were built, you often see a 2-story unit. You come into the main floor and then upstairs is the bedroom, but it is open at the top. So you have a railing overlooking the living room. Now, this was probably a good idea if you were an artist living alone when lofts were originally built and you wanted to have one open space, but most of the time, people who live on their own or who are a couple, they want to have a separate bedroom. Not only because they want some privacy in that separate bedroom, but also because there is a lot of light that comes in early in the morning and they don't want to be woken up. So the open bedroom, not a good thing. Number 3, people don't like mini appliances. Now I know developers need to be efficient with their space and a smaller kitchen with smaller appliances can make sense for some people, but I'm here to tell you that most people don't like it. They prefer full-size appliances. They don't want an oven that looks like a microwave and actually doesn't fit anything you can roast. Number 4, people prefer real doors over sliding glass doors. Now I know sliding glass doors are very popular and I would never say not to have them in your condo because there are some beautiful condos with sliding glass doors. But I'm here to tell you that people prefer real doors. Now, a lot of newer condos have the sliding glass doors. Developers put them in because it allows for secondary light and it can still be considered a bedroom. And it is much more common in newer construction. But I'm here to tell you that you might want to have a condo with real doors. People do prefer it. Lastly, avoid condo shopping after dark. Now, many of us want to go look at condos when we finish work, but if it is dark outside, that may be a mistake. You often want to see condos when there is light, so you can see what kind of light is coming into your condo and how it's going to play out. You don't want to live in a condo that is dreary and dark. Even if you don't like light and you like a nice dark condo, it is good for resale to know how the light operates in your condo. I hope you find these condo tips helpful. If you have any other questions about condos, please feel free to reach out to me in whatever information you see below. I'm David Coffey of Bosley Real Estate.